Yeah man peeps, good night. We're outside again. So tonight we are going on a different adventure.
New adventure.
Yeah, man, we are
Same
gonna,
fishing but new adventure.
We are going on a bridge adventure.
Alright, that's it. Yeah, man. We are going to tear it down.
Oh
You
God.
have to write down?
History.
Right. Tonight we see some monster man. Fish for night. And not fish for days enough. Fish for night.
Hey guys, from now see what you know. If you see whole team out, you know it's a ball game.
We are focusing on tonight.
Why? Anything by focusing on the rod tonight.
You catch one.
No.
Every size I use enough and the campaign.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah man, the first one. In big here? Yeah man, in big, in big. You have one too?
Nice size, see?
Yeah man, that's all. Yeah man, the one, the other one barber catch. Yeah man, I'm one there, so 2 already so far. Come on the bucket in the bag.
Yeah.
One more, wait, one more?
I'm gonna jump in.
That are 3.
Oh, no, 2. I get in.
We're focusing on the bait.
Focusing on the bait right now, you know? Yeah, all focused on the bait.
What back? You deserve to let him go. Let him go, man. Let him go. Yo.
Turn on the pump. Turn on the pump.
Hey guys, wanna focusing on underneath the bridge?
Yes.
Hunting. Guys, tell me if you never do this before.
The adventure here nice now.
Yeah man, really great.
SSG.
Gee, where you do in my eye? You saw, look how my shake and I'm not yet. Watch him queen job. We out here. What make you look like you make you get yourself? You get him? So silly question.
Silly question are ridiculous.
Nice, eh? Beautiful. You nearly jump out, you know? Put him in a safe zone. Do me a beg you.
Slide him in tender.
Excellent job. Guys, today I travel through bush and guess how buck up in a pumpkin. Beautiful pumpkin. Mullet.
Dog. That mullet there. You can't light up
You
your belly.
big, man.
Yes, Tosh.
You big, you know?
No.
You have him? Yeah, man. Good. You don't feel him?
Alright. In your pocket. Come on.
Well,
Your pocket.
yeah, man. You have it. No! You see, if you never give me food, I catch him, you know? You have him?
You know, under. Give me under there. Unless you don't put him in the
You have him? See, he's a savior, man.
Fish are bite tonight.
Yo, fish are go bite with you, you know. Fish. And them are going so far. Don't. Fish are go bite with you, man.
That killer?
I mean, I can make them good.
That's off. Like.
Small. Yo!
Oh, some big one.
Where?
Ngam makaran.
See, right from there.
Come on. Oh, what is it, man?
Yeah, man, do them.
The case.
She never seen a rice chip. Yeah, right here, Mr.
Yeah, man, send me
Cool. Come on, actually. Yeah, I have a big one.
Yeah, man, some big one.
Do it.
Cool Ryan, man. Tough. Let me see him.
Big, you know.
Yeah, man, nice size, man.
Yeah, man, I want to have size.
Nice size. Now it's the time.
Can't waste the time, no boy.
Yeah, man, he ain't them, boss. He ain't that one. That one I catch. He caught that one.
Catch him?
Yeah, man, he catch him. Yeah, man, I want a big one. Yeah, man. Go to his side.
You fool it better.
Wait, that one, Osh? Yeah, man, see, man. Up there. Yeah, man. Bingo. Never. G-O.
B-I-N-G-O.
Yeah, man. You see? Yeah, man. Go and go put him in. Hold on. We have to see what I go on. Oh, soap making job.
Oh, they might jump out, guys. So this is
Yes, man.
Yes,
One uncle, I never two.
Yes,
Never to.
Never. Ever. Hold on for your toolbox. Same time.
Sister, okay, make you get to here, you know.
Hey, I'll ring this one in the neck.
Get him, Ryan. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him, Ryan.
Look at
You have him?
Check.
Yeah, peeps, so we're up on the bait hunt first before we catch the monster them. You see me? Yeah man, we outside, man. Bait hunting. Right before we see pulling the monster them. Come Baba, we are depending on you now, man. Yes man, you have him?
We have you.
You have him?
In a net.
You cap him? I'm baby that you have, man, I know him.
You have him,
You have him?
Yeah.
Make sure you have him now, man.
Come up with it.
Make sure you have him now.
I have to lay down on my belly saying I have him and I catch him and take care of. Oh, Barton. Yes, sir. Come out of the water.
Man, nice size, you know? Nice size. Make sure you pump on, you know?
The water, the water. Nice one.
Yeah, man, so nice size, come down. Yes, uncle, so nice size, come down.
Yo, Osh. Watch your stop, watch your frog now, brother.
Peace. Uncle now watch no fish and frog him a watch.
Frog him a watch.
Yeah, you must have them swing with the film all again now.
Oh, nice one, listen.
Yeah, can I frog him a watch? You know watch something else with the frog. Frog him a watch. Yo, don't catch it, don't throw the frog on the money now.
You never see that?
You never see it.
Watch on that.
When the metro him pan him.
See him there? Take him up.
When the?
You know so?
When the?
Phone one. No, that's not right again. That's not.
Yeah, man. Catch the monster. See, the monster, make sure you catch the monster. Chip, focus on the monster. Focus on the monster. More big one there, you know. They might go up there, sir. Nice, enough there, man. Enough there. Daniel, go on, Daniel. Enough there. Thieves. Enough bison bait there. Bison, yeah. Enough bison bait the wood.
Slide. You know? No, the slide in. Oh, she has got too fast, you know, man.
Man, put call, you know.
Yo, the frog no run. Nah, you got so fast.
You can't stay this one in the bush, eh?
That's right. Yeah.
Mullet them in my pass in my youth. Yo, Jack, I buy it, you know, man. Then mullet, Jack, they want and snap all them up, brother.
Yes, one Baba, man. You know, man.
You just take it mid-year.
Mid-year. Yeah, take him on glory.
Mid-year. No, man.
Mid-year, man. Say mid-year, man.
If I'm mid-year, I give you me proper one. Mid-year.
Mid-year. Danny, you can't draw me up.
Draw you up?
Draw me up, no? You can't help me. Come, see Sapana, come help you, come, lift him up. Come on.
Put that on your waist and lift him up, kind of short, you know, no length.
So no man here.
Come on, the night hunting is still on. When there?
Senior.
You move quick, you know?
Super quick.
Thank you for correcting me, sir. Super.
Slide it in. Oh God.
Catch one more, no? Catch one more. Me them not, hey. See one more there. You get him? Suana. You have him? You get it. Climb up, man, because I bet you no can jump up. Male, come.
Man can't do this out here. Yeah, man, do that and beat me.
Length
I have.
No.
Yeah, what's all I want?
Watch a shot, yeah, man. Mr. Shot. The last time we catch him, man, Kemar I climb, you know what happened? Radam! I ain't jump off of his stick. There's some big one there. Wanna just give you action right away?
I stick in jump off on her.
You have one? Yeah, man. No. See, come for that one, Daniel. Yeah, man, so one,
You can't, Baba,
fresh.
You can't drop them on the ground, so
No, man, you just put it down, man. You know, drop them.
No, man, don't say me throw one.
Oh.
So me
Yeah,
say
man.
can't throw.
Yeah, man. Snapper. Osh, you're focusing on the what?
The mullet.
Man, we done.
Run 3 hours now.
Where am I get trouble with Baba? You want Baba? Alright, you want? Alright, yeah. Watch your rod, yeah? Take your time, man, careful. Alright.
Yeah, man, peeps, reach on the bridge now. Start step over this side line now.
Yeah, man, because it's a must.
Mullet them
I
there.
have to mash up a top on.
It's a must? Down the dark.
You man, the outside man, you know? Big up.
Yeah, man, peeps, so. See a pin here now.
Tell them what kind of pin again.
It's dolphin pin. Alright. Cover that to me, Daniel. Look at me over here. Straight down the wall. Can I? Take that with them. It's frightening. Drop down. Huh? Big.
Yeah, man. That one I go right now in on top on belly.
Safi?
Yeah, man. Safi there, man. I will approve it tonight.
Yeah, peeps, Uncle Chip there, I run out film line, you know?
Very good.
Very good.
Yeah, man, super
So, what you after tonight, my boss?
I'm sure I catch on top on.
What you said?
Sure I catch on top on. Fully sure.
Alright, no boss.
Fully.
So, yeah, peeps, there, you know?
Still a stand.
Still a send line, same way. See me?
We are go forward, man. I look for a long time.
Safi, what you say?
Yeah, man. We get a little small bite, little while one. We have to stay. Just stay tuned. We get a small bite.
Yeah, check in for everybody, you know, man.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, my boss.
Yeah.
Oh, go on, nothing?
They are wait patiently.
Yeah.
See if we can rise up one of them big boy there.
Alright.
No, big girl, number one. Big girl.
Daniel, what go on? Nothing?
No, that's just the money that got bad out there though.
Oh, if something soon pick up then. Alright. Yeah, peeps, yeah, we're there same way, you know?
Still there.
Nothing really go on so far, but we're still there, try, you know?
But soon get active.
We're not give up. We're there,
Never
man.
give up.
Yeah.
One bite and then get it. But anyways, they are line up to go because we can see the rain start ball.
Yeah, man, rain start fall.
Yeah, man, so they are line up and thing. One bite and then get it. Unfortunate, we never catch nothing, but I say you got to escape in nearby bushes.
Yeah, man, everybody pack up, you know.
Pack
Leave,
up,
you know?
ready for stack up.
Yeah, man.
I move to the next river mouth.
Yes, sir.
Moving to the next river mouth.
Catch it.
Sure. What you pin up in mouth, sir?
I saw me catch him.
That's our stuff over there.
What you peeps, you know?
Why not you say no move and think catch something and watch him over there?
We not catch nothing. Sorry for catch. Sorry for where catch.
I don't go on left. I don't go on left. I'm not ready again.
Sorry for where catch.
I'm not ready again. I'm not ready again.
What name, uncle? What name? What you peeps, you know? They are pack up, try somewhere different or go home. One of them. But let's big up on yourself, you know?
Go home.
Home, sweet home.
You know? Liar.
Yo, I can't bother with doing it now. No stop showing me up, man.
Top on me catch pan. Yes, sir. Go try a different location, you know?
Sure.
See what go on.
Or home.
Well, hopefully.
Hmm?
Hopefully.
Yeah.
They not change their mind, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, peeps. So we are released back in mullet them because I don't see nothing really go on. One bite on it. actually get away. So yeah man, in a bucket. You can see them here. In there man. That's my one, that's pretty.
Give me a bucket. Just keep it down. I mean, they just see them. A lot. See that? A lot of them. See them, man?
Oh, we pin them in them back, then stick them good because we give them a dollar pin. If I say name, if I not say name, I'm just carry.
Quite a few of them, you know?
Enough of them, man.
Them good now, man. Them good now.
Kill them.
You see me can't catch what that one.
No simp on your fast, yeah. I put your hand outside then. See, it's soft. Soft, man, it's soft. Man, catch him back.
Nice, you know?
Put him back in the water.
Adventure right now.
So guys, how with that?
Yeah man, peeps, so you don't know prestige, I just catch you next time. You actually have a head home now. But that's a new location we try. Now I go see where I spot them more often because we find out when the fishermen bite that side of them bite. So yeah man, peeps. You just stay tuned, look alike, one thing. I'm gonna catch you always going to excellent job.